Ever dreamed of turning a rundown house into a gold mine? Imagine buying low, renovating smart, and selling high, all while building your financial freedom. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to get started with house flipping, even if you're starting with zero experience. Stick around, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Introduction to house flipping. So, what exactly is house flipping? Simply put, it's buying a property, improving it, and selling it for a profit. Sounds simple, right? But there's so much more to it. In 2023, house flipping is one of the hottest real estate strategies in the US, and here's why. Not only can it generate big profits, but it also lets you flex your creative and entrepreneurial muscles. But don't let HGTV fool you. Flipping houses takes planning, research, and hard work. The good news? You're in the right place to learn how to get started. Step 1: Understanding your market. First things first, you need to understand the real estate market in your area. Here are 3 things to look for. 1. Hot neighborhoods. Look for areas where homes are selling fast and prices are rising. 2. Target buyers. Are you flipping for first-time buyers, families, or luxury clients? Your target audience matters. 3. Price range. Avoid overpaying for properties. The golden rule? The lower the price, the higher the potential profit. Spend time researching listings and trends online, or even better, connect with a local real estate agent who knows the area inside out. Step 2: Budgeting and financing. Flipping houses isn't free, but it doesn't mean you need a fortune to start. Here's how to approach the numbers. Set a budget, factor in the property price, renovation costs, taxes, and unexpected expenses. Pro tip: add 10-15% extra for surprises. Get financing. Options include traditional bank loans, private lenders, or hard money loans. Remember, the faster you flip, the less interest you'll pay. And here's a bonus tip. Use the 70% rule. This means you should never pay more than 70% of the home's after repair value, ARV, minus repair costs. Step 3: Finding the right property. Now comes the fun part, finding the perfect property. Keep an eye out for these key signs of a great flip. Ugly but structurally sound. Cosmetic updates are cheaper than fixing major issues like the foundation. Motivated sellers. Look for foreclosures, auctions, or off-market deals. Undervalued homes. Find properties that are priced well below market value. Remember, negotiation is your superpower. The better the deal, the bigger your profit. Step 4: Renovations. Here's where you transform a fixer-upper into someone's dream home. But don't overspend. Focus on these high-value renovations, kitchen and bathrooms, these sell houses. Curb appeal. First impressions matter, so invest in landscaping and paint. Energy efficiency. Smart home upgrades and efficient appliances add modern appeal. Always work with trusted contractors and stick to your timeline. Delays can eat into your profits. Step 5: Selling your flip. Once your property is ready, it's time to sell. Here's how to get top dollar. Stage the home. A professionally staged home sells faster and for more. Hire a great realtor. They know how to market your property to the right buyers. Price strategically, price competitively, but don't undervalue your hard work. And don't forget, timing is everything. Spring and summer are usually the best seasons to sell. Key takeaways and encouragement. Flipping houses might seem intimidating, but with the right plan and determination, it's absolutely achievable. Let's recap the steps. Understand your market. Budget wisely. Find the right property. Renovate strategically. Sell for profit. Remember, every expert flipper started as a beginner. So, take that first step, and who knows, your first flip could be a life-changing one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what questions you have about house flipping. I'll see you in the next video.